to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm JaMya, and in today's video I'm finally getting the chance to try the Eco Styler coconut oil gel. If you guys have been subscribed to me for a while, then you guys know I love using the newer Eco Styler gels as a washing gel. I basically tried mostly all of them besides the coconut oil one, so I just decided to pick it up a few days ago and just to try it on my hair to see what it's all about. Basically, this just has 100% coconut oil. It's supposed to help moisturize and add shine to your hair, and it says it's lightweight and it will leave your hair with a weightless superior hold. If you guys are interested in how I got my hair like this, by the way, this is my day 2 hair with using this gel, and if you guys want to see how I got this hair, then please make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel, and let's go ahead and get into the video. I washed my hair and this is what my hair is looking like. But like in the intro, I am trying the Eco Styler coconut oil gel as a wash and go. If you guys have been subscribed to me for a while, you guys know I always use some type of Eco Styler gel in my wash and goes. I've never ever tried this one, so I'm pretty excited to see what this is all about. I haven't really watched any videos on it. I just really just picked it up from the hair store 2 days ago. It smells pretty good. It's pretty glittery. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's pretty glittery. Normal consistency from the rest of the Eco Styler gels. My hair is just freshly washed. I'm just going to basically do it the same way, the same routine that I've normally been doing for my regular wash and go. I'm going to use the Cantu coconut curling cream. This is like one of my favorite lightweight creams to use with Eco Styler gel. So I'm just gonna basically make my part in the corner. I'm just gonna take this section out and put this bigger section up. Starting off with this section, I'm just going to take the coconut curling cream. I'm just gonna take a small amount, and I really just put it like all over this section because I don't really like to use a lot of this stuff, like cake up the product on my hair, because really just weighs down my hair. Using this gel, start with this little cap. I'm gonna start with this amount. I'm just gonna flip my hair into like a smaller section. As you guys can tell, this cream is already just like giving me some real good moisture and definition. I'm just gonna take this gel just a little bit and start with my ends. I always start with my ends first, and then I just bring this gel up. Okay, so automatically I can tell, like with most of the other Eco Styler gels that I have used, it does leave my hair like stringy and hanging, like elongated. But it actually brings my curl back into a really good shape. It leaves it with amazing shine and really good definition so far. I'm liking this gel a little bit because it's working with me. Yeah, they look really good. To the top section, I'm just going to do the same thing. Add some gel and just like rake my hands through it just to kind of separate those curls. I'm just getting more gel. Since my hair is starting to get a little bit dry, I'm just gonna spray water on just so my hair just bounce into those curls and just make it a lot easier for my curls to actually form faster. So my curls are looking good so far, like they look really good. I don't know if it's because of the Aztec clay or what, but lately my curls have been looking really good ever since I used that mask. So these are what my curls are looking like for this first section that I did. And as you guys can tell, my curls are looking really, really good, really moisturized. They're starting to look really juicy, and it was really easy for me to apply this gel. So far, I'm really liking this gel. It gives me really good definition and really good moisture. And I mean, the shine is just like amazing. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the back. You guys already know how I do my wash and go video. I do the back in a faster pace just to get through this video really fast. And I'll just come back to you guys when I'm doing the top section. Okay guys, so since I'm on basically my last section, this is what my hair is looking like. I'm just on my last section. Overall, I really do like this gel. It doesn't have a strong scent to it. It has like a light smell to it. What got me about this gel, it goes on your hair really, really, really easily. I think I honestly found my new favorite Eco Styler gel. So now I'm just gonna let my hair dry and I'll come back to you guys for the final results. I'm super excited to see what they look like, but until then, I'll come back to you guys when my hair is fully dry. Okay guys, so I've come to the end of this video. This is what my hair is looking like. Just really moisturized, really defined. This is my day 2 hair. I'm really surprised it actually held up because I really wasn't expecting it from this gel because it was so light on my hair. My hair is still defined, it's still moisturized, and it's still feeling really, really soft. Overall, my thoughts on this gel, I really like this gel. It really held up with my hair and it really worked well with my hair. Like I was saying earlier, when I applied the product to my hair for the first time, it did leave my hair really elongated and into like really big clumps like I'm used to when using an Eco Styler gel. But this one, it just automatically formed my curls and kept them separated and really defined. So I was kind of shocked with that. I would definitely use this again for my wash and goes. I really was happy with the result. So if you guys enjoyed this video, then please give me a big thumbs up and comment down below if you guys want to see any type of reviews on any type of products from me. If you guys have stayed all the way to the end and you have not subscribed, then please be sure you are subscribed to my channel. Like, you stayed this far, why you not subscribed? Thank you guys so much for all the love and support you guys continue to show me, and thank you guys most importantly for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.